Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing, or unbagging in this case, what's in this package. I'm very excited about this. It's taken a little over 3 weeks to get to me from Australia, which is fine. I knew that it was going to be pretty delayed, but that's alright. It got here. It just got here. I'm super excited about it. I can't wait to show you guys. I've been thinking about this nonstop. So, I ripped out like the paper for my address and everything because I don't want that getting out. So I'm just gonna pull out this card first. And I got a water from Chresury. Hope you love your new cash wallet. If you have any issues, please don't hesitate to contact me. So Kemma gave me probably one of the best experiences that I've ever had purchasing something off of Etsy. Not that I've ever had a bad experience by any means. Everyone who I've ever ordered from has been very pleasant, but Kemma took the time to actually message back and forth with me when I had, a concern about something. She made sure that, she let me know. She even showed me pictures of certain of differences. So the wallet that I got is actually like a discounted wallet because of minor imperfections when it was being made in factory, which is fine. I've watched other videos of people unboxing a discounted wallet as well, and it looked completely, well, to me it looked completely fine. Which, I mean, I don't make this kind of stuff, so, but alright, so that's it. Got everything from in here? Yeah, okay, that's everything from the bag. Alright. Chresury. So if you order one that's not like discounted, it comes in like a gift box. I had told her ahead of time that or not ahead of time, but I told her after I ordered that I had a small YouTube channel and I was gonna do an unboxing review sort of video, and she offered to send me a box, but I told her it wasn't necessary. So it comes in like a silk bag. Ooh. Okay, so the color I got is blush beige, but it actually looks more like cinnamon. It looks a lot lighter on camera, but it's actually like I don't know how I can get like a true color. That's okay. It's pretty. Wow. Okay, I'm impressed. Lots of card slots. So originally I was gonna order the Savvy Sense, and I actually did put in an order through Amazon with for Savvy Sense. Savvy Sense? No, not Savvy Sense. Sorry, Bella Taylor. There's so many different ones, and oh, that's a smooth zip. That is nice. Ooh, the wristlet. Yeah, I'm gonna like this so much better. Lots of card slots, or not card slots. I mean, there are lots of card slots, but lots of slots for money. Yeah, these are sturdy. Pink Cloth, she did a review on this wallet as well, and she had said that these metal dividers were super sturdy, and I have to agree. I don't know much about wallets and stuff, but yeah, this is really nice. I like the zipper. Yeah, that's nice. I am impressed. Thank you again, Kemma, for such a great experience, and yeah, very impressed. I'm going to put that on after. So this is the wallet that I'm currently using. I love it. I really do. My biggest gripe with it is that since it's since it's like cloth, cat hair, cat hair sticks to it, and it drives me crazy. And I'm just getting to the point. I mean, I love this wallet. I will always love this wallet, and I will probably eventually go back to it. However, I mean, at some point I'll probably end up not going back to it, but switching out and going back and forth. But yeah, things get stuck to it, hair gets stuck to it. So essentially I'm just gonna switch out of this wallet and move into my new Chresury wallet, which I'm very excited for. I've been waiting for this, and I'm so happy with the color. It's a little darker than I thought. It's showing up very light on camera, like it's light like my sweatshirt, but even my sweatshirt, it's actually not a pastel yellow. It's more of like a, I mean, it is kind of pastel, but it's more of a darker yellow versus like almost white like it's showing up on camera. So, but yeah, I'm impressed with this. I'm excited to switch into it. I'm excited to have like a Saffiano type feel again, so nothing sticks to it. That'll be so great. Yeah, this is really nice. All right, so let's see where to start. I'm probably gonna put my cards in here off camera just because, you know, privacy and stuff. And then I'll make some labels because there are little papers here. I wanted to open this so bad that I didn't even like, yeah, there's like little labels. I didn't even make labels for it. So I have to, actually I'll keep that one out. So I'm going to use my label maker and make my labels for my categories. And yeah, we'll see what, oh, size comparison. So they're actually about the same length, give or take. I mean, the edges are rounded, but same length, obviously not as thick because I have like separate envelopes in this one, which I love. It's like, it was a great starter wallet for anyone who wants to start their cash budget system and they need a wallet like this. I got this off Etsy through Vintage Fabric Finds. She's a fellow Canadian Etsy shop owner. It takes, I think she took, it was either 4 to 6, it's 4 to 6 weeks. I don't remember how long it took, but because she makes them all from scratch, like they're not already made. So it takes a while for her to make it and then ship it out to you, which it didn't take long to get to my house at all. I mean, I'm just in a different province, so it only took a few days, which was nice. But yeah, I really love this wallet. I will use it again at some point, but for now, I want to use this one. This is just keeps all the money in one spot and what have you, so that's nice. Yeah, I'm very impressed with this wallet. All right, get my label maker and then we'll get started. All right, so I have my label maker. I'm gonna have to play around with the font size because I really don't know. Let's try 16. I'll just print one out and see. Actually, I could even go one size bigger. Let's try that because it's very, that font's very small. You know what? I could even, now I just feel like I'm wasting my label paper. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I'll do it that way. Okay, so gas, let's see. So gas was the first one. All right, let's see. Then I can always flip them over. Yeah, I can flip them over and put it, ooh, is that gonna be too big? Yep, that's gonna be too big. Okay, I have to redo groceries. Well, let's do 18 or 20, sorry, for groceries. Let's try that again. Yeah, that's better. Okay, put it back to 24. Oops. Oh, I don't know why I did. Okay. Sorry, I'm having a rough go of it right now. Yep, that's better. Okay. Okay, so Visa and Bank, I'm actually not gonna put a thing for. So yeah, we'll see. All right, there we go. So that's that for right now. Okay, so these are garbage. Okay, so I'm just gonna roll up my sleeves here. So this one will be gas. Okay, so that was gas. Okay, I'm actually gonna take all of these little papers out. Okay, there we go. So gas, and then blow money is next. Okay, blow money, and then groceries. And then eating out. Okay, I'm gonna have to trim this one a little tiny bit. There we go. Okay, eating out, and then miscellaneous is the last one. Okay. And then for this back section, this is what I'll use for like bank or whatever. Like, so when I get my bank money, I'll just, or the money from the bank, I'll put it in there. All right, cool. So I'm going to put the money in front. So like this is gas, so the money will go in front of it, not behind it. Okay. Let's put this on. Do I want this on here or do I want it on the zipper? I think I want it on the zipper. Okay. So I'm going to transfer over all of my money. I don't know if these are gonna fit or not, so I'm gonna see. Okay, so gas, gift card. Will these fit? I mean, technically they will. I don't know. I'll put them there for now. Okay, gas, blow money. Groceries. Groceries, okay, then eating out. Well, let's take those out. And then miscellaneous. Okay, and then I have $4 in coins, so I'm actually gonna put this in there like that. So I'm actually going to take these. I'm gonna put them back here like that. There we go. Yeah, that's nice. All right, so now I'll start transferring over my cards. Okay, take this one out. Oh, I like that card. I like this material. Okay, put that up there. Okay, so without being too whatever, so I'm actually gonna put my picture right there, like so. Okay, and then, sorry, I'm doing it off camera just because this is like my IDs and stuff. Okay. Actually, I have one more, sorry. Hold up. Okay. And then so these cards I might actually like switch around and stuff, but we'll see. And then let's see, where can I put this? I might actually put it behind the picture like that. And then I also have a RFID. So I don't know if this wallet has RFID blocking or anything like that, but I'm just gonna put that in there like that. Protects my wallet, protects everything, and it's, oh yeah, that's nice. Yeah, nothing's moving or coming out of that, which is nice. That's one thing that I was scared about with this wallet, is since it's fabric, even with having all your cards full, if I dropped my wallet like upside down, my cards would start to come out, which that scared me a little bit, because I was like, what happens if I lose my cards or anything like that? That wouldn't be good. So I might actually move these ones to here and then these ones to here. I don't know, I haven't decided yet. I'd rather them be here actually, because if they happen to fall out or anything, yeah, we'll see. And then all my knickknacks. This wallet holds a lot, like it really does. This is the picture that I had before, so I'm just going to put that off to the side, that off to the side. Okay, so those, and this is the real true testament, is to see if I can get everything to fit. That's one thing that makes or breaks a wallet for me, is if I can't get everything to fit in my wallet, it's a no-go. Okay, can I actually get these in this side though? Yeah, that'll work. And then these can just go right in there like that. I haven't decided quite where I want to put these just yet. I mean, it works right in here like that, but then it like makes it super bulky. I might have to move these. Like, what about now? Yeah, that's kind of bulky. Let's see here. probably have to like stagger these like that. Oh man, that's a tight fit. Okay, maybe these won't go here then. Or I won't put these right here. Maybe I'll only put this stuff in here. Let's see, what about now? Yeah, that'll work, I think. Kind of keeps it private. And then as far as this stuff goes, if I have to put it in the zipper part, then I will. So let's shut that. So true testament, do these fit? Because if not, I gotta make new ones. And they do. Perfect. Okay, because I have a couple more back here. Not those. So let's see here. Perfect. Fits everything. Now I just gotta find a spot for this. All right, I'll figure it out. Bye, guys.